How to contact Xfinity customer services. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are facing any issue with Xfinity and you want to contact the customer service, then watch this video till the end. The first step is to open up any web browser. Now on the search bar, you want to search for Xfinity customer service. Now here it says that if you are a Comcast customer who would like to report an issue or you have a question, you can dial this number over here and then contact the Xfinity customer service. So go ahead and dial this number in order to contact the customer service. If you do not want to call but you want to chat, then you want to tap on this option, which is Xfinity customer service contact us. Once you tap on this option, it's going to take you to this page. Now you want to tap on Get Help with Xfinity option. Once you tap on this option, it's going to take you to the chatbot. As you can see, you're connected with the Xfinity assistant who is here to help you. Now you want to select your option from here. You can also type in your question or query over here. If the assistant is not able to help you, you can also request for a live agent. Here it says that to connect with an agent, you need to sign into your Xfinity ID. Go ahead and tap on the sign in option. Now you want to enter your email, mobile or username and tap on the Let's Go option. Once you have been signed in, you can contact with the human agent and ask any questions or report your issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.